8:10. That's 20 minutes. Oh, I have to hurry. Shoes, makeup, a big dress. Which one? Conservative or sexy? Conservative? God, I look like someone's grandmother. I am someone's grandmother. This is crazy. What the hell am I doing? A little louder, please. I can't hear you. God, if I start hearing voices for real, oh no, I'm in big trouble. That's a sign of brain atrophy. And nothing's worse than brain atrophy. Family lives. Parachute failing. Buried in a car. Thrown off the Matterhorn. Those are bad. But brain atrophy, what a way to go. I wonder, do you know you're going? You're lying, Frank. Say something for crying out loud. Help me through this. No, sometimes I will yell downstairs. Frankie, bring me up another glass of wine, will you? It's my overdeveloped imagination. Just short delusional, but a hell of a lot of fun. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be in this mess to begin with. Hey, should I throw my hair long one more time? You always liked long hair, didn't you? I mean, short like this is nice for the summer, but wouldn't it be nice to have a ponytail? Just one more time? Just a little one? He's a real possible, Frank. A real possible. He kissed me. It was nice, it really was. It was different. Felt like I was cheating. But then, he pulled me to him. With his hand on the small of my back, all over. I couldn't think of anything else except what I felt at that very moment. I haven't been single in 47 years. What was I thinking, making a promise like that at 17? A kid. As long as you both shall live. Both shall live. Well, you didn't keep that part of the bargain very well, did you? I'm just nervous, Frank, that's all it is. And this house is so silent, it's too damn quiet. Maybe something smaller. Yes, maybe a smaller place might be better. But my morning glories. They cover the entire archway on the front entrance now. Violet beauties basking in the morning light, soaking up the sun with every ounce of vanity they must be beautiful. How can I leave them? When is it time, Frank? When it's time? How do you let go of your best friend? Okay, a promise is a promise. I'm getting on with it, I am. I'm back at the club. Tennis twice a week. And I'm dancing. And I'm taking good care of Milo for you. Told you was spoiling that dog. You're trying to celebrate life again. Just like we did every day of our lives. Well, another couple of hours, it'll all be settled. Will he or won't he? You know, I always said that men are after only one thing. Tony's rather cynical, don't you think? Did you teach her that or did I? She told me to marry him before I put out. I tried to act sharp, Frank, I really did. my own children telling me about the facts of life. Then Adam offered to show me how to use a condom. I told him I'd let him know when it was time, but he insisted. I'll never be able to eat another banana. Looking something. Hey, remember, baby, that woman never had a hair out of place in her entire life. An immaculate woman. Could have sworn she came out of her mother's womb with her nails done. But now, out of her mind in that nursing home with that one gray hair coming straight out of her nose, and no one's there to pluck it. Plucking the hair on my face is top priority. It's in my living will. Do not resuscitate, but damn it, keep my chin hair plucked. You know, I keep talking to you like you're up there. But maybe, just maybe, you've done something that I don't know about. And you're down there. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm not just spending the rest of my life alone, that's all there is to it. It could be 30 to 40 years. Aunt Kate rode a motorcycle on her 101st birthday. At least on my side of the family, I've got good genetics. Or I can welcome from the bus tomorrow, but I'm not going alone. I just refuse. I'm not ready to stop. I mean, I don't need a man. I want a man. It's taken me so long, these many years, to really enjoy it, Frank, and I don't want to sell this stock before it splits. Why can't I just find what I want when I need it? Everything's out of place. Everything. And I can't put it back in place again. It's all out of place. I should have gone first. It really makes so much more sense. You were so much more self-sufficient than me, so much more level-headed. Breathe. Breathe. You can handle this. Do it. Robin said he needs help chaperoning the kids at the prom. I'm helping. You know, Frank, if you hadn't given me chicken pox, I would have gone to a prom a long time ago. I mean, how difficult is it to chaperone a bunch of teenagers? Oh, I could just not go. I can't just not go. That would be irresponsible. But what's worse, being a flake or having a heart attack before you get there? Robert said on the computer. He said he can't wait to see me. You know this gesture, typing, it used to mean typing, now it means talking. Nothing's the same, that's the way it was. Everything's different now. You like him. He has a wicked sense of humor. I guess that's a prerequisite to being a high school principal. What a backside. Not bad for an old guy. You stood me up for the biggest day of our lives. If I stay out till 3:40, would you lock the door? Would you still need me? Would you still feed me when I'm 64? Oh, 1967 was a great year. How many times did we listen to that album over and over and over again until that nasty old man from next door told the landlord on us? Was it our fault the walls were made out of paste? The only reason I remember the year is because 9 months later, Adam made his debut. Remember we say when he's 10, we'll be 44. When Pete drives, we'll be 64. And when he's 30, we'll be 64. He never went past 64. Who the hell thought we'd be so damn old? Yeah, old. The Beatles are old now, too. Maybe I should get myself a 30-something like Paul did. Now, we know what happened there. But you know, I love John. I loved him the best. He taught an entire generation to think for themselves, challenge authority. Talking about the revolution, we're gonna change the world. Yeah. But did we? Well, we sure had a hell of a time trying. Yeah, the Beatles are on the History Channel now. I remember history. I lived history. Hell, I am history. You know, my father used to tell me, you go out of this world the way you come in. And that is so not true. You go out knowing all the good you did, and enjoying all the fun you had along the way. I'm having fun. This is fun. This is fun.